Welcome, here I've got ONEPLUS NORD CE 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here at the first place we have mirrored selfie photo, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on camera mirror effect as we need. And when you need to use this, you have to remember that this only works for selfies, so we have to change back camera to the front one by simply tapping on the button from the left. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.